हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आप लोगों को क्लास 7 कंप्यूटर लेसन 2 जिसका नाम है विंडोज 7 कॉमन कस्टमाइजेशन टास्क्स, ये छोटा सा लेसन है, आप इसको देखिएगा। लिखा है नाउ दैट यू हैव बीन अवेयर टू द मेन कैटेगरीज ऑफ द विंडोज 7, you will modify some of the settings that give your profile a personal touch in this lesson. We will cover how to change color and sound, scheme change and data and time, how to change to resolution of your screen, personalizing your computer. Modern graphics card and graphics chipsets have the ability to display millions of colors and vibrant visual effects. Windows 7 takes advantage of this technological capability and allows you to create a bright and colorful interface to suit your liking. Click Start and Control Panel, Appearance and Personalization to view how you can customize Windows 7. Also access these options by right clicking the desktop and clicking Personalize. This window lets you change all desktop settings at once. You can scroll through the themes that come with Windows 7 here and click any theme to apply. It is simple as that. You would rather pick and choose your settings. Use the 4 commands at the bottom of the window. Let's go over these 4 commands now. Desktop background. In computers and mobiles, communication device wallpaper is an image used a background of graphical user interface on a computer screen or mobile communication device. At the top of the desktop background feature, you can use the combo box to choose the source for your wallpaper. You can also click browse to select any other folders that contains image. Next, you can select one or more image to use as your wallpaper. To select multiple images, however your mouse over a picture and then click the checkbox in the upper left corner. Repeat this until you have selected all the images you wanted. Now you can adjust how the image will be displayed on your screen. These options will force the image to conform in different ways relative to your screen resolution. Finally, if you have selected more than one image to use as a background, you can control how often window switch between images. When you have finished choosing your option, click Save Change. Window color. Here you can select a color, disable to enable window border transparency and select the color intensity. If you don't like any four of the current colors, click Show Color Mixer to define your own. When you have finished, click Save Change. Next page है sounds के बारे में. Pick from a number of sounds schemes in this window using the sound scheme combo box. Sound schemes play different sounds when something happens in window. Select any sound from the list and click Set Text to Here. When you have finished, click OK to save any changes. Screensaver. A screensaver is a computer program that blanks the screen for fills it with moving image for patterns when the computer is not in use. Window comes with a few screensavers that are automatically activated after a certain period of inactivity. Choose a screensaver, modify its properties by clicking the setting button and apply a password if you wish. Click OK to save your setting. Change the date and time. If you're moving to a different region of the world, how or have suffered to a power loss which can throw off the clock time, when you can change the date and time in the control panel. Click clock language and region and then click set the time and date under the date and time heading. Now click the change date and time button. Use the cursor's button on the either side of the mouth to change mouth and then click a day to change the date. Click the hour, minute or second time and type of the proper time. When you satisfied with all adjustment click OK. You can also click the clock in the taskbar and then click change date and time setting. तो ये लेसन आपका यहीं पे समाप्त हुआ, छोटा सा लेसन था और इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर और जो भी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वगैरह हैं वो आपको PDF के रूप में जल्द वीडियो के साथ ही प्रोवाइड करा दिए जाएंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।